Hello my fellow engineers, we are doing a video compilation. This is how to fix Johnny F100 down panel. Here is it, untying of the screw, removing the old down panel, fixing the new one. Good. So let's confirm what we have worked. Sharp. That's it. The next on the list is how to replace iPhone 7P battery. So here is how I do it. I've removed the old battery. I'm fixing the new one. Yeah, that is the new one there. Good. So let me try to power it. I've coupled the phone. I've assembled the phone. Let me try to power the phone. Sharp. You have seen it? Correct. I've done the work. So that is Pack 5 glass replacement. So that is it. Yeah. Wow. Amazing work. Sharp. So that is it, guys. That is it. Wow. Touching well, properly. Now is the big 17 LCD replacement. So that is it. That is the old screen. That's the old screen there. Okay, this is light construction rather. Yes, light jumper. The light leg is broken, so I run a jumper. So this is how to fix or assemble power bank, how power bank are being built. Yeah, just watch that video carefully till the end. That is how power bank are being built. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Amazing. So that's how our power bank are being built. No be small thing. Wow. Just watch. Well package, one more. These people sabi work wey be small. Chai. Wow. Power of tech. That is the panel of the power bank. Yeah. Here is the case that they will package all those things. Wow, amazing. Just watch it. Covered. Amazing. Sharp. It's charging. Wow. Now I'm fixing big 17 LCD or 528. That's the screen. The screen is broken. So let's fix it. Let's fix the LCD. Ah. Yeah. I'm soldering the screen. Amazing. So here are the different restore code for either your itel or your Technophone. So just watch how I will do it. Yes. Just watch that one carefully. Just watch it carefully. How to do it. Amazing. So that is how to do it. That is the code. Just watch carefully till the end.